London, British electric engine maker YASA said on Thursday it was expanding its generation limit from 2,000 to 100,000 units with another production line to take advantage of developing interest from car makers for greener innovations. Automakers are hustling to fabricate greener vehicles and enhance charge times in an offer to take care of rising client demand and air quality targets, yet Britain needs adequate assembling limit, a region the administration is developing. A year ago, the legislature picked a site in Focal, England to house another car battery improvement office, which will build up the procedures required to make the most recent battery headways. On Thursday, YASA, based close to the English city of Oxford, said it had raised another £15 million ($21 million) as a feature of its development. Our clients are hoping to receive creative new innovations, for example, YASA's pivotal motion electric engines and controllers, keeping in mind the end goal to address the issues of the quickly growing half-and-half and unadulterated electric car advertise, said Chief Executive Chris Harris. The firm fares 80% of creation and has worked with organizations including Britain's two greatest car makers Jaguar Land Rover and Nissan and Aston Martin. JLR will choose this year whether to construct electric autos in its home market, beforehand referring to components, for example, pilot testing and support from science and government as pre-necessities.